Are you struggling to stay focused on your goals? In this video, we will explore the spiritual teachings of Buddhism to motivate people and help them understand how to focus on their goals. Lesson 1. Understand what motivates you. The first step in focusing on your goals is to understand what motivates you. Motivation is the driving force behind all successful endeavors. Without motivation, it is difficult to achieve anything. In Buddhism, motivation is closely tied to the concept of intention. Intention is the mental state that directs our actions. It is the force that drives us to achieve our goals. To understand what motivates you, take some time to reflect on your values and aspirations. What is important to you? What do you want to achieve in life? Once you have a clear understanding of your values and aspirations, you can use them as a guide to set meaningful goals. Reflecting on our aspirations with honesty and clarity allows us to establish a strong foundation for our journey. Whether it's the pursuit of personal growth, the desire to contribute to the well-being of others, or the longing for inner peace, understanding our motivations empowers us to channel our energy towards meaningful endeavors. Lesson 2. Set milestones for your goals. Once you have a clear understanding of what motivates you, the next step is to set milestones for your goals. Milestones are smaller, achievable goals that help you track your progress towards your larger goals. They provide a sense of accomplishment and help you stay motivated. In Buddhism, milestones are closely tied to the concept of impermanence. Impermanence is the idea that everything is constantly changing. By setting milestones, you acknowledge that your goals are not fixed and that they will change over time. This helps you stay flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. By delineating clear and achievable milestones, we create a roadmap for our journey, instilling a sense of direction and purpose. These milestones serve as markers of progress, motivating us to persist in our endeavors despite challenges and setbacks. The Buddhist practice of mindfulness enables us to stay present and attentive to each step of our journey. By being mindful of our actions, we cultivate clarity and discernment, ensuring that our efforts are aligned with our ultimate goal. Setting clear and achievable milestones is akin to planting signposts along the path to our goals. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of breaking down our overarching objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. By delineating specific milestones, we not only chart our progress, but also imbue our journey with a sense of direction and purpose. Each milestone becomes a tangible manifestation of our commitment, guiding us steadily towards the realization of our ultimate goal. Each milestone serves as a reminder of our progress and encourages us to stay committed to our journey. Whether it's completing a chapter of a book, reaching a fitness milestone, or achieving a personal development goal, celebrating these smaller victories strengthens our resolve and fuels our momentum towards the ultimate destination. Lesson 3. Create and follow a plan. The third step in focusing on your goals is to create and follow a plan. A plan is a roadmap that helps you achieve your goals. It provides structure and direction and helps you stay on track. In Buddhism, planning is closely tied to the concept of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and aware of your thoughts and feelings. By being mindful, you can create a plan that is aligned with your values and aspirations. This helps you stay focused and motivated. With a clear understanding of our motivations and milestones, the next step is to craft a plan that paves the way towards our goals. Buddhism teaches us the importance of balance and flexibility in our approach. While it's essential to have a structured plan, we must also remain open to adapting and improvising as we navigate the inevitable twists and turns of life. A well-thought-out plan serves as a roadmap, guiding our actions and decisions amidst the myriad of distractions. By breaking down our goals into actionable steps and allocating time and resources accordingly, we cultivate a sense of purpose and direction in our endeavors. Lesson 4. Bring tasks to completion. The fourth step in focusing on your goals is to bring tasks to completion. Completion is the act of finishing what you started. It is the final step in achieving your goals. In Buddhism, completion is closely tied to the concept of perseverance. Perseverance is the practice of staying committed to your goals, even when faced with obstacles. By persevering, you can overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Bringing tasks to completion requires cultivating resilience and determination, qualities epitomized in the Buddhist concept of perfection of energy. By harnessing our inner strength and overcoming procrastination and self-doubt, we can surmount obstacles and achieve our goals. The practice of tranquility enables us to maintain equanimity amidst challenges, fostering a calm and focused mind. By cultivating inner peace and serenity, we can navigate through difficulties with grace and resilience, ultimately bringing our tasks to fruition. Lesson 5. Share your commitment to your goals. The fifth step in focusing on your goals is to share your commitment to your goals. Sharing your commitment is the act of making your goals public. It is the act of telling others about your goals and asking for their support. In Buddhism, sharing your commitment is closely tied to the concept of community. Community is the practice of coming together with others to achieve a common goal. By sharing your commitment, you can build a community of support that helps you achieve your goals. Sharing our commitment to our goals with trusted friends, mentors, or spiritual guides can provide invaluable guidance, accountability, and encouragement. By articulating our intentions and seeking feedback, we enrich our perspective and refine our approach, enhancing our clarity and commitment to our goals. The practice of generosity encourages us to contribute to the welfare of others and cultivate a spirit of mutual support and cooperation. By sharing our time, resources, and expertise with others, we create a supportive community that fosters growth, resilience, and collective success. The journey towards our goals becomes infinitely more enriching when shared with others. Buddhism emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings and the power of collective support. By sharing our aspirations and commitments with trusted allies, we not only garner invaluable encouragement, but also invite accountability into our journey. Articulating our goals aloud reinforces our conviction and strengthens our resolve to stay focused amidst distractions. Lesson 6. Evaluate your progress. The sixth step in focusing on your goals is to evaluate your progress. Evaluation is the act of assessing your progress towards your goals. It is the act of measuring your success and identifying areas for improvement. In Buddhism, evaluation is closely tied to the concept of wisdom. Wisdom is the practice of using your knowledge and experience to make informed decisions. By evaluating your progress, you can gain wisdom and make better decisions about how to achieve your goals. Evaluating our progress entails introspective reflection and discernment, examining our actions, attitudes, and habits in relation to our goals. By honestly acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses, celebrating achievements, and learning from setbacks, we refine our approach and deepen our commitment to our goals. The Buddhist concept of impermanence reminds us of the ever-changing nature of existence. By embracing impermanence, we cultivate resilience and adaptability, recognizing that setbacks and challenges are inherent aspects of the journey towards our goals. It is essential to pause and reflect on our progress. Buddhism advocates for the cultivation of mindfulness and self-reflection as indispensable tools on the path to self-improvement. By regularly evaluating our progress against predefined milestones, we gain valuable insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. This introspective process not only fosters self-awareness, but also enables course correction, ensuring that we stay aligned with our goals. Reflecting on our journey allows us to celebrate our achievements, acknowledge our challenges, and identify areas for growth. By cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, we gain valuable insights that inform our decisions and propel us forward on the path towards our goals. Lesson 7. Take time out for self-care. The final step in focusing on your goals is to take time out for self-care. Self-care is the act of taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. It is the act of nurturing yourself so that you can achieve your goals. In Buddhism, self-care is closely tied to the concept of compassion. Compassion is the practice of being kind and caring towards yourself and others. By taking time out for self-care, you can cultivate compassion and achieve your goals with greater ease. Taking time out for self-care involves nurturing our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being through practices such as mindfulness meditation, exercise, healthy nutrition, and nurturing relationships. By prioritizing self-care, we replenish our energy, enhance our resilience, and sustain our motivation and focus on our goals. In the relentless pursuit of our goals, it is easy to neglect our well-being amidst the hustle and bustle of life. However, Buddhism reminds us of the intrinsic value of self-care and nourishment. Taking time out to nurture our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being is not a luxury, but a necessity on the path to success. Whether through mindfulness practices, meditation, or engaging in activities that rejuvenate our spirit, prioritizing self-care rejuvenates our energy and enhances our ability to focus on our goals with renewed vigor. The Buddhist principle of wisdom reminds us of the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of compassion towards ourselves and others. By cultivating self-compassion and kindness, we foster inner peace and well-being, creating a strong foundation for pursuing our goals with clarity and resilience. Focusing on your goals is an important part of living a fulfilling life. By following the spiritual teachings of Buddhism, you can learn how to set meaningful goals and work towards achieving them. Remember to understand what motivates you, set milestones for your goals, create and follow a plan, bring tasks to completion, share your commitment to your goals, evaluate your progress, and take time out for self-care. With these lessons in mind, you can achieve your goals.